Hi, I'm your barista for today's vlog. Gagawa tayo ng ice caramel macchiato. Okay. One size lang kami guys sa aming mga iced coffee. So, we use 16 ounce cup na timbangan. And first is nilalagyan ko siya ng vanilla flavored syrup. It has 2 pumps of vanilla flavored syrup here. Then caramel drizzle. Two pumps of caramel drizzle. Lagay lang natin sa tabi. Yan. Mamaya ito. Then let's add some ice. Some more ice. Ice. And add some fresh milk. And we add fresh milk. $150 ml of milk. Two shots of coffee espresso, Easy brand. And the caramel drizzle. Here is our iced caramel macchiato. Flat lid. Here's our iced caramel macchiato, guys. Look, so yummy. Grabe. Then we put here. Take out plastic and straw. Done.